Welcome to BricsCAD TV. In this movie, you will learn how you can create XREFs by dragging drawing files from Windows Explorer onto the BricsCAD window. In Windows Explorer, I select the drawings. Press and hold the right mouse button and drag the selection onto the BricsCAD window. Release the right mouse button and choose Create XREF in the context menu. And specify the insertion point for each drawing: foundation, ground floor and first floor. Let's also add the elevations. And the sections. Other options in the context menu are to open a drawing or to insert a drawing as a block. The insert procedure also applies to images or PDFs. Thank you for your attention.